welcome to Listening to course. I hope you will find it enjoyable. So let's have a look. So this is my course page, and I will show you some uh, general things about this course. But before I start, let's have a look. We still have listening one material on every page. So just in case you miss level one and you want to have a look what you had done before. Okay, so all level one material is here in this folder. All the rest is level two. So this folder is the course material. Let's have a look. So we've got 7 units, approximately, for 7 weeks. In every unit, we have 3-4 folders. Some of them, for example, wildlife conservation, it's a shorter one. The influence of geography, it's a lecture and it's quite long. But in every unit, we have test practice. So please do this, and pay attention to this. So, how is level 2 different from level 1? I'm sure you are also wondering. So, if in level 1 mostly we listened to something and we were already looking at the questions and we could answer the questions as we were listening, in listening 2 we practice listening, taking notes, and then answering the questions. So, for example, if we look at wildlife conservation, our first lesson, watch the video and take notes. So again, as we are just starting level 2, you're not expected to take perfect notes and understood every word. This is more as practice, so do what you can, what you hear, some numbers, some names, some words, everything that you understand, yes? And remember, you can watch the video once or twice or 3 times, yes, as many times as you want, and as your instructor gives time, okay, and then after you've taken notes, after you compare it with each other or with the teacher, then there are some questions to answer. Similarly, when we work with a lecture, for example, when you work with a lecture, here we have some skill focus first of all. So some skills that are important for you when you listen to the lecture. You practice the skills on a shorter lecture, and then you are watching the lecture, taking notes, trying to use these skills that you have learned so far, and then you trying to answer the questions. Remember that there is always tape script for you to check your answers. There is always an instructor for you to check your answers. And test practice. So let me show what we are going to do in level 2 in our test practice. So first of all, form completion. Again, you can say. Yes, again, but this time it is different. Wait, sorry. First of all, there are 10 questions. So very similar again. Maybe some names, maybe some time. And like this. So 10 questions, and now it's a longer one. It's a dialogue, okay, but it's a longer one and more difficult than at level 1. But the type of task is the same. It's note completion. You will see it, when you practice with your instructor. And the second one is an interview. That's absolutely a new task. So you will hear an interview, quite clearly, with someone. You will listen twice, and you will see 6 questions. Here, you listen to the interview and you see the questions at the same time. You still can take some notes if you think that you need, but then you write answers on the right. Answers are usually quite short, quite precise. It's still level 2. We do not expect you to write wrong answers with explanations. Okay, so this is the test practice for level 2. Okay, so we've got 7 units. All the videos and audios you can find here in this media album. So you click on it, and here are all of them, yeah? So if you want to find something, yeah, Holly Boland, yeah, that's for our interview. Here it is. Okay, next what? We have a booklet, yeah? So here it is. It is for term 33 and 34. So as this is term 34, we are doing the second half of the booklet. Okay. Then we've got also test practice with long forms, with interviews, but it is self-study. Okay, so this is for you. Your instructor will not check anything. Yeah, so you check yourself. And also we have skills practice, again for self-study. This is just a compilation of some useful links to British Council and Cambridge English resources that you can use just to improve your listening skills in general. It is self-practice, self-study. Okay, so this term there will be no extensive listening submission. There will be no practice assessment, but hopefully we will have exams at the end. But this is no one knows, yeah? But we are preparing for them, okay? Thank you very much. Good luck.